Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're unable to bind your Kadena wallet address for minting an NFT to your Galxe account, then in this video I'll show you how to do it. After completing all these Galxe tasks, here you can claim this NFT, and here as you can see the claim button. So after clicking that, you will see this message. To participate in this quest, you need to bind your Kadena address. To bind your Kadena address, you need to download a wallet extension. So simply go to the Chrome extension store and search for Ecko Wallet. This is the wallet, so download and install the extension. Then click start now. Then next, then agree to the terms, then create a new wallet. Then choose your password and click create. Then agree to the terms again and click continue. Here you'll find secret codes, so save them. Then click continue, and here in the box you need to put all the secret words. Then you need to create an account. After creating your wallet, again click on claim NFT. Then click on go now and scroll down. Here select Kadena and then select Ecko Wallet. Then save and then confirm and close. As you can see, the wallet is bound successfully. Now go back and click on claim NFT, then approve. And again select Ecko Wallet. Then confirm. Then again click on claim NFT, then approve. Then wait for the confirmation. And again confirm. And it's done. So this is the easiest method I'll show you in this video. For more crypto and airdrop updates, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.